These are the elevators here at JCPenney at Brunswick Square Mall in East Brunswick, New Jersey.
2. One.
Door does not close when you push the button. You kind of remind me of Lehigh Valley a little bit. Send this car up and try to get her out in the other one.
See how that one sounds?
Hopefully that one has the fan off.
Well, I wouldn't be so sure.
Wow, that is a fucked up chime.
Alright.
There goes that one.
And we'll get this one.
Oh, it does light up. Look at that.
I guess it only lights up when neither of them are on the floor here. Here it is. See how the motor sounds on this one.
Oh good, this one has no fan. Let's listen. Okay, this deserves another ride.
Okay. Bam!
I'd like to get a cabbie since I didn't get one in the other one. It's your basic JCPenney elevator. The only difference between these and Lehigh Valley is that the lantern's not on the back wall. Alright.
Alright, take one more ride.
Yep. One.
Couple lights flickering.
These are definitely relay controlled. Installed in, I believe, the 1970s, if I'm not mistaken.
So you're sure these were originally Dover?
Yep, because, look at this. See that?
That's a Dover interlock?
Yup.
Yeah.
That's it.
That door